Alright guys, we're back again. We're fitting a TD5 injector harness which sits inside the engine. What a simple thing to change. So we're going to have a go at that today, get it changed. It's full of oil on the plug, which indicates this is leaking oil out this plug here. Oil gets in this wire, goes down into the plug. It'll go down into this plug here, along the harness and in. It gets into your ECU here. Common fault on TD5s, so that's what we're going to be changing today. Put that to one side. We'll show you a bit more of that when we get there. First thing you'll have to undo is clip here and pull the top hose off. Just clip it back out the way, and you have to undo all these bolts here. Just the 8mm top ones, just on this rocker cover part. There's two at the back and then one's down there and these ones here. Right, we'll get that off. Magnetic tray, so you can put your bolts in. They're your two hardest ones at the back. Just watch you don't drop them down the back when you pull them out. Just get them out very gently, they'll come out. They're your two worst ones. And the other ones just come straight undone. Quickness was using a little air ratchet. They're all the same size. They're an 8mm and about 40mm long, so all the same size. 8mm deep reach or 8mm short reach, no matter which. So that's them all undone. And they'll lift off just gently lift the gasket off. Normally come off quite easy, these. Nice and easy. When you take it off, turn it upside down so you don't lose the oil. It's been leaking at the back there, look. They always leak. Right, we're going to get the harness off and we're going to go from there. Right, to some plug your injectors. There's no order, I'll only fit one way. Simple like that, and this just pops straight out of here. So you unclip it all, unclip all these, and we'll show you how to lift that out. Simple as that. That's your rail, and that's where the oil comes out of there. Bad design really. Some of the cheaper ones don't normally come with a rail, so we'll put an original part in. It's got the plastic rail. If not, you can use your old plastic rail. That don't go, it's the wires what go. We'll have a look at the new one. Clean in here, that's where your new one's going to sit. Give that a clean. We'll blow these out. That'll blow out. Going to blow them out, it gives them a bit of a clean, it gives your harness a better seal, your new harness. A lot of people don't clean them out, just plug them straight back on, but clean it out, it'll last a lot longer. Just going to clean this rail. So you know, fit the new one in. These have got seals on. What we do is going to put a bit of a seal on them, just put a little squirt. We'll do. Just smooth that round like that, it'll give it a better seal. And all you do, get your top side up. Push that, locate that into there. Make sure it locates into the cup so it's level, and they sit in there like that. And these are spring loaded. So just go around, push them until they click. Like that. And that sits in there. So that bit's all in. And a bit of seal over this. At the back here, because they have a tendency to leak. Back on. That's your top back on, and get your bolts. Use one of these screwdrivers for the turn end just to nip them up. Put that back on there. Because these will only these nuts have a collar in, they'll only tighten down to the collar. So once they sit on that collar, that's the gap. I think that's all locked down tight. So we're going to clean before we put the plug on. I'm going to give it another clean, seal the oil coming out. We've got an air blower, makes it a bit easier. Well guys, that's all on. We'll put that plug on to let it dry a little bit, and we're back in a few minutes to show you how to put the plug on. Well guys, let's put the main plug back in. That's the main plug which goes round down here, round the harness and into here. Now if you've got oil in there, it's been a long time, you're going to have oil in here. This is the ECU, this is where it runs to, as you can see. We've got oil coming out. It's just a red plug. Undo your red plug. So as you can see. It's in the harness. So what we'll do, we'll quickly clean that. Get that all out. Check all the holes out of it. Clean the seal. It's a bad design by Land Rover, this. We'll pass it up through your wires. Unfortunately, as you know, not all bare wires. Typical Land Rover. Right, we've cleaned that to the best we can. Just going to be careful. Line it up nice and careful. Give it a click, that's back on. Take it back in its mount. Like so. Screw back in. Screw this back up. It's all back in. Put the lid back on. Nice and tight. Put the jack back in. So we've put the eyes back in, we've bolted all this back down, we've put the clip in, all it's gone down, we've cleaned that. It might pay you to clean that again in a few weeks time, because there's still water in that harness, unless you're going to change the full engine harness, which is expensive, about 700 quid. So that's all clipped on. Again, that's it. You're just going to remember to put your overspill pipe on. That's all on, that's all on. Clips back on, harness is in, clips on, all the bolts are on. That's it all done. Right guys, we'll give this a run up in a bit, check it's okay, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.